Now to an important warning for parents and an expanding FDA investigation. This comes after a fourth infant was hospitalized with botulism linked to powdered formula. Nara Organics has voluntarily recalled the impacted formula, and inspectors are being sent to its facilities to search for the source of the botulism. CBS News medical correspondent Dr. Céline Gounder is here. She's also editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News. Good morning, Dr. Gounder. So which products are affected, and what do parents need to know?
So 4 babies in California, Pennsylvania, and Washington got infant botulism this spring after drinking Nara Organics whole milk organic powder. It was sold at Target, it was sold online for about a year, and every lot of this is being recalled. California's state lab found that the botulism bacteria was in an open can from a sick baby's home. If you have this formula, do not use it, do not donate it.
And we should point out that NARA said on its website, with the health and safety of babies and families as our highest priority, we are saddened to hear that an additional case from May has now been added to the investigation. That said, botulism is very serious in infants. What are the symptoms? What should parents be looking out for?
So it's serious, it is rare, and it is treatable if you catch it early. So it usually starts with constipation, then weak suckling, poor feeding, floppy head, droopy eyelids. If a baby seems unusually limp or is struggling to breathe, you should call 911 right away. There is an antitoxin called Baby Big, and babies do recover, but it can take weeks sometimes for a baby to recover.
Very scary.
And what, sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say, what is the testing process of formula?
Yeah, and so this is a major issue here. And this is not the only infant formula recall we've seen, actually, in recent years. So the FDA makes companies test finished formula for 2 bacteria, Chronobacter and Salmonella, but it does not require testing for the spores that cause botulism. And during the ByHeart recall, I spoke to a bunch of labs, and they told me the issue is that these spores are so sparse, you would need to test hundreds of grams of formula to pick it up in a batch. So it's not so easy to test for. And the FDA confirms now that Nara and ByHeart actually use the same milk supplier and the same drying plant. That doesn't prove that the supplier is the source, but that's why investigators are looking into whether that might be the source.
All right. Dr. Céline Gounder, great information. Thank you as always.